Granite versus quartz. Which countertop is better for your home? Dear friends, when choosing a countertop for your home, two of the most popular and reliable options are granite and quartz, both offering unique advantages in terms of durability, aesthetics, and maintenance. Granite is a natural stone, each slab featuring one-of-a-kind patterns and colors formed by nature, making it ideal for homeowners who want a unique, elegant, and timeless look. It is highly durable, heat-resistant, and adds great value to the home. However, granite requires periodic sealing to prevent staining and can sometimes have minor imperfections since it is naturally mined. On the other hand, quartz is an engineered stone made from natural quartz crystals combined with resins, giving it a consistent appearance and a wide range of color options. Quartz is non-porous, which means it resists stains, bacteria, and moisture better than granite, making it very low maintenance and easier to clean. It does not require sealing and is less prone to chipping or cracking. The choice between the two often depends on lifestyle and preference. Granite is perfect for those who appreciate natural beauty and don't mind occasional maintenance, while quartz suits modern households looking for durability, hygiene, and minimal upkeep. In terms of cost, both are relatively similar, though rare granite slabs may be more expensive. Ultimately, both materials are excellent choices for countertops, and the better option depends on whether you prioritize natural uniqueness and heat resistance, granite, or uniform design and easy care, quartz. Either way, both options significantly enhance the beauty and functionality of your kitchen or bathroom. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.